Can you start a YouTube channel recording videos on your mobile phone and uploading to YouTube? My name is Abogonye. I mostly do entrepreneurship videos, how to make money online, and all those cool stuff that can help you through entrepreneurship. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and drop your comments in the comment section down below. Make sure you share this video with your friends so you also give value to those your friends that like stuff like this as well. I actually got a question from one of my YouTube videos where somebody was asking, his name is actually Chris Santos Chibiki. He was asking, Francis, can someone start a YouTube channel with a phone? That's his question, to be precise. That's actually why I'm doing this video. I'm actually recording this video with my mobile phone, as you can see, so as to give him an answer to this particular question he's asking right here. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it, and I'll be showing you guys how to get this done. Alright, welcome back, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started, or how to answer this guy's question, and how you can get started with your own YouTube channel using your mobile phone. The first things first, to start a YouTube channel from my own view is getting a Gmail account and also setting up YouTube. You know, after setting up your YouTube channel, you actually have an idea of what you want to do on YouTube, the niche you're going to be talking about, or the topic you're going to be sharing on YouTube. You know, that's the most important part. Some people tend to have a lot of complications in terms of knowing where to start or getting the industry or the niche to go into. You know, it can be fitness, you can be a sports person, you can be talking about sport, it can be fitness, it can be entrepreneurship, it can be woodwork, it can be beauty, makeup, it can be whatever. You know, you can be like a lot of girls. I can see a lot of people doing makeup and beauty and fashion stuffs on YouTube, which is actually cool. Their channels are actually very, very big because there are lots of girls that want to know the latest trend in terms of fashion and beauty and all those stuff. So you can actually start your YouTube channel by doing stuffs like that, or it can be comedy, it can be anything at all. So after picking your niche and setting up YouTube, your YouTube channel, and make sure you're getting a cool name. If it's not your personal channel, if it's not your personal channel, you can give it a cool name relating to your niche or your industry. Then after that, I suggest you get a very good phone. Your phone should be, the camera pixels should be a little bit high, or it should be high actually, because if your picture quality is not high, your videos may be kind of like damped. Like the quality will not be too cool for your users, or to meet up with the standards of some YouTube videos out there or other competitors on YouTube as well, and that's also in the same industry or in the same niche as you are. So your phone quality should be high. You should have a very good video quality in terms of I don't know, the megapixels to you, maybe from 13 megapixels and above. Or if you're using an iPhone, that's also cool. You know, most iPhone videos are actually great. I like iPhone quality a lot. I'm actually using an Android phone to record this right now, which I love the picture quality actually. And also you might want to consider recording videos in a landscape form and not in a portrait form. You know, that's another great step or another great tip as well. You should don't record your videos like this. Actually, don't do it like this. Make sure you record vertically, that is in form of landscape, you know, so it can give that 16:9 ratio, that 16:9 ratio HD format stuff. So it will be landscape, and somebody can, which will actually fit to the YouTube, I don't know the name to call it actually, YouTube frame, you know. So this is how people mostly watch videos on YouTube. This is how the YouTube 16:9 ratio is actually. That is why you're supposed to record your videos on landscape. You know, some people just pick out their cameras and start recording portraits straight up and start saying what they want to say, but you know, it won't give the viewer that cool viewing experience, should I use that word for it, you know. So you might want to consider that when recording with your mobile phone as well. Another thing again is in terms of editing those videos. If you are looking at editing the videos, if you have a computer and you have softwares like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or any editing software out there, depending on which one you have or which one you have experience with, or you can use Cyberlink, you can use any software that are easy to use in editing, okay? There are so many softwares out there you can use to edit videos. You can put it on your computer and start cutting those videos and cutting out the parts you don't want and leaving the areas you want, then export those videos, you know, and maybe adding some text and graphics on it. That's also cool by you. So you can record with your mobile phone and edit with some of your, you can record with your mobile phone and edit on your computer, you know. That would be great as well. Also, if you don't have a computer, you can get some mobile apps that are cool for editing that you can use to cut videos and join videos, you know, and put them together and export them as one clip, which you can now upload on YouTube using your mobile phone. Literally some of the tips I have for you on how to use your mobile phone to get started with YouTube. And also you can actually get cool video descriptions. Just that in uploading videos on YouTube, your thumbnails, you can't change your thumbnails easily. Like you can upload new graphics on using your mobile phone. You log into your YouTube channel on your computer and go to your creator studio, where you can now upload your own thumbnail with your own graphics on it on your channel. And also if you want to add a card on your YouTube channel, just like this card, I'm going to keep a card here, you can actually do this on the creator studio on your YouTube channel. On the computer, actually you can't do that from your mobile phone. So that's one thing you have to consider. Let's do a little bit of recap right here. In terms of recording videos with your phone or starting a YouTube channel with your phone, just like my buddy asked here, the answer is yes, you can. That is why I'm doing this video holding my phone right here, so you can see an example of what I am talking about and how you can get started with your YouTube channel. You don't have to wait until you get a big DSLR camera or the Sony A7 II or the Sony A7 III or the Canon 5D Mark II or the Canon 5D Mark III or the Canon G7X, just like other YouTubers have and all that stuffs. You don't have to wait until you get all those kind of equipment and all the kind of lighting equipment before you get started. Another thing is, I forgot to actually mention this, is lighting. You know, you just need to stay in a particular place where you can get natural light, where the lighting is actually good and everywhere seems to be bright. You don't actually need full lightning set equipment to get started with your YouTube channel. Like some people may want to get the softbox or the whole lightning equipment they need to get things done perfect, and also all the ring lights and all those stuffs and all the best mic, all the best sounds out there. You don't need to get all that before you get started. All you need is your good mobile phone that can record good videos and get a nice environment, and also use natural light. Make sure you focus on natural light and get these videos out, you know. That's why we're in the best of times right now, and if you have things to share online and you're not sharing it, I think you're going to regret it later. So this is the best time to put out content and to share your own thoughts and ideas, helping other people, providing value to other people out there, you know. If you actually want to start your YouTube channel and some things are holding you back, maybe yourself, well, because the most important thing that actually holds us back is ourselves, where we want things to be perfect, we want to get things done correctly. I just started my YouTube channel by just picking up my DSLR camera and press record and start saying what I want to say on camera. That is how I actually started, because I already know my niche I wanted to get into. I actually know what I wanted to talk about on YouTube, so it was just left for me to just begin. So all you have to do is just, if you don't know where to start, pick up your camera and start talking to it. Start talking into your camera, you know. Just record yourself like this. You can be making mistakes at first, just like me. I'm not that perfect, but I'm still getting there gradually. You can be making mistakes. When you make a mistake, you pause, you cut that part, and you continue. You pause what you are saying. Keep recording. Actually, you pause just like this, then you continue what you are saying. Say it correctly. Then when you're editing it, you can cut that part which you don't like what you actually say. It's that simple. That's how it is on YouTube. So if you want to get started with YouTube, pick up your mobile phone, since you already know your niche, and start recording videos and putting out great content out there. Now, to stay in that great mindset as an entrepreneur or as somebody who wants to get something going for themselves, and stay in that positive mind, that mindset that you don't want to be giving up. You know, some people get started with stuff and they give up because of their mindset. So I recommend some books in the description down below. You can click the links in the description down below. Those are some of the books that I've read. They are helping me. I'm reading some more books right now currently, and which are also helping me grow, you know. I actually get a commission from Amazon when you purchase those books, but the commission is actually very little. I'm just doing this for value actually, so not that I'm doing it to earn money from that books, because the commissions on Amazon on books is very, very little. You know, some of those books can be like $15, some can be 30, some can be 10 and all that. So imagine getting 4% from that. It's very, very little actually. So if you want to get started with your YouTube channel, make sure you take action. Action is all you need. Take action and kill procrastination. You know, when you take action, you tend to minimize the way you procrastinate about things. You know, take action and get started immediately. Don't waste time. Don't wait for the perfect time, the perfect equipment. We just want to wait for everything to be perfect and the right time, like right location, right equipment, right everything, the right team and all that before you get started. Don't wait for those stuff. If you're just watching this channel for the first time, my name is Francis Abogonye. I mostly do entrepreneurship videos. I mostly share my experiences. I mostly give tips and tricks that can help you through entrepreneurship in general. And also make sure you drop me comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. This tends to give me a boost to do more videos. And also your comment as well helps me to get ideas on how to get videos and to provide more value for you guys out there, you know. So make sure you share this video with your friends. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you guys. Bye bye.